So my name is Abby Oxiger, and I am a survey CAD technician.
I'm Derek Westby. I'm the UAS program lead.
I'm Greg Flowers. I'm a land surveyor. I'm the survey manager and the office manager of the Wawa office. People will come in, whether it's a boundary problem or getting the topography on how to get a road back to where they want to build their house, or navigating through the regulations of local codes or state rules. I think that's the favorite part of my job.
Some of my favorite projects that I've worked on so far, there's an Alta survey that I did out by the Hulula Junction. A lot of farmland, a lot of section monuments to find. Brought in the data, started processing it. It took about 2 to 3 months.
Surveying is the coolest job I never knew existed until I came here. It's challenging, it's different every day. It's a good mix of office work and field work, so you get a good blend. Literally every single job is different, and I often end up in some of the prettiest places I've ever been in my life.
We're going to be doing LiDAR UAS here real soon. Really excited about that. The Kellogg Hollow project was one of my projects, and that was our test project, and it was a really difficult survey. We'd have been out there for a long time getting what we got with that LiDAR drone.
So I'm a YPN ambassador for the Eastern region, and being in YPN means that you get to network a lot, you get to learn a lot of different resources that we have available.
The PBS just has a really good balance between everybody being a part of the same mission and objective, and then celebrating each individual.
What I really like about PBS is you can just be who you are and not feel like you have to be anything else.